Hi everyone, today I will introduce my country, South Korea. South Korea is located in East Asia. The largest city of South Korea is Seoul. South Korea has a total area 99,678 kilometers square. The official population is over 10 million people. South Korea has a temperate climate for distinct seasons. The weather are very nice. There are many tourist sites, attracts millions of visitors, such as Jeju Island and Namis Island, and some interesting places, such as National Park Purga Purga. South Korea food culture is very rich. The most famous is the kimchi. Other popular dishes are kimbap, instant noodle, and roast beef. The traditional dress of South Korea is a hanbok, and also a symbol of South Korea culture. The people here are very kind, very friendly, very beautiful. Should I visit my country? It's a very beautiful. Welcome to South Korea. See you again.